Common versus coated nails. Okay, I happen to locate one here. This is a common nail, not coated, and this is one that's coated. Now, I think one box said vinyl coated. So, theoretically, they're the same size, but in reality, they're not quite the same size. Our common nail is a little longer in this case. I don't know if that's always true, though. But the one thing I have noticed is the common nails are bigger diameter, slightly, whereas the coated are a little smaller, a little narrower. So there's situations where you may want more beef, and sticking power is not a huge factor. Well, I was also told you could leave these outside, let them rust, and then they'd have good sticking power. They would stick real nice. And this is what's always been used in the past, too. It's only been the last, 40 years that vinyl coated have been around. Maybe a little less, I'm not sure. I tend to go for the coated. A little bit smaller, a little less likely to split. The distance I always thought was the same, although here it seems to be a little different. But you're not getting as much metal. That's the downside. But this is a 12 penny, and I would imagine this is a 12 penny. So you can go up in size, but 16s, 12s have been working out really well for me for what I do, rough cut wise. But that's some of the difference between. So what happens is when you drive this one in, it heats up the friction, and then it glues it there pretty much. So that's where the coated comes in. Okay, here we go.